Are you over 60 and starting to notice your strength fading? Maybe climbing stairs leaves your legs shaking, or standing up from a chair feels tougher than it used to. You're not imagining it. This could be sarcopenia, the silent and gradual loss of muscle mass that affects millions of older adults. But here's the good news. Muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable. In fact, with the right nutrition, especially certain fruits rich in muscle-supporting nutrients and powerful antioxidants, you can slow, stop, or even reverse this process naturally, without expensive supplements or exhausting workouts. In this video, you'll learn about 7 amazing fruits that fight muscle loss, reduce inflammation, and help seniors maintain strength, balance, and independence well into their 70s, 80s, and beyond. Why you need to take muscle loss seriously after 60. Sarcopenia affects over 30% of adults aged 60 and older, making everyday activities more difficult. Muscle weakness increases your risk of falls, fractures, and loss of independence, which can severely impact your quality of life. Beyond aging, lifestyle factors like poor diet, inactivity, and chronic inflammation accelerate muscle loss. That's why it's crucial to eat foods rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds to support muscle repair, growth, and function. Many people don't realize that the key to combating sarcopenia can be found in nature's simplest gifts. Fruits packed with essential nutrients that work at the cellular level to protect and rebuild muscle tissue. How fruits help fight muscle loss. The right fruits contain antioxidants, vitamins like C and K, and compounds such as polyphenols and anthocyanins that reduce chronic inflammation, a major cause of muscle breakdown. Protect muscle cells from oxidative damage. Support collagen production for stronger muscles and connective tissue. Improve blood flow and nutrient delivery to muscles. Boost energy metabolism and muscle endurance. Incorporating these fruits regularly into your diet can help you rebuild lost strength, improve balance, and sustain an active lifestyle well into old age. The 7 best fruits to prevent muscle loss and boost strength after 60. 1. Prunes, more than just for digestion. Prunes are a rich source of antioxidants, vitamin K, and potassium. Vitamin K supports bone health, which is critical for muscle function and preventing fractures. The antioxidants in prunes help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, allowing your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Studies show that regular prune consumption can improve muscle strength and bone density, making them an excellent choice for seniors aiming to maintain mobility and strength. 2. Red grapes, packed with resveratrol for muscle health. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. Resveratrol has been shown to protect muscle cells from damage caused by aging and improve mitochondrial function, the energy powerhouse of your cells. This can enhance muscle endurance and reduce fatigue, making red grapes a tasty way to support your muscle health naturally. 3. Padron peppers, small but nutrient-dense. Although mild in flavor, padron peppers are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that combat oxidative stress in muscle cells. Vitamin C is vital for collagen production, which strengthens muscles, tendons, and ligaments. These peppers can help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, supporting better recovery after physical activity. 4. Arbutus berries, a nutrient-rich Pacific Northwest treasure. Arbutus berries contain polyphenols and other bioactive compounds that improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Better blood flow means improved nutrient delivery to muscles and faster healing of muscle tissue. Regularly eating these berries can enhance muscle coordination and strength. 5. Golden kiwi, vitamin C powerhouse. Golden kiwi offers more vitamin C than many other fruits, which is essential for repairing damaged muscle tissue and boosting collagen synthesis. It also helps lower inflammation and supports your immune system. Including golden kiwi in your diet can help protect muscles and speed up recovery after exercise or daily activities. 6. Loquats, the unsung muscle supporter. Loquats are rich in carotenoids and antioxidants that guard against muscle cell damage. They support metabolic health, which is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. Eating loquats regularly can help maintain energy levels and muscle function. 7. Wild blackberries, anthocyanin-rich for muscle recovery. Wild blackberries are loaded with anthocyanins, pigments that provide strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. These compounds reduce muscle inflammation and promote faster recovery, making blackberries a delicious way to keep muscles strong and flexible. Simple ways to add these fruits into your daily routine. You don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Small, consistent habits can create big changes. Try these easy tips. Add a handful of wild blackberries or red grapes to your morning cereal or yogurt. Snack on prunes or loquats in the afternoon for sustained energy. Blend golden kiwi and padron peppers into a refreshing smoothie. Include arbutus berries in salads or as a fresh topping on desserts. Even simple changes like these can boost your muscle health and help you stay active longer. Final thoughts. Take control of muscle loss. Starting today, muscle loss doesn't happen overnight, but neither does rebuilding it. The key is consistency, combined with the right nutrition and lifestyle choices. By incorporating these 7 fruits into your diet, you're giving your muscles the essential nutrients to fight inflammation, rebuild strength, and support better balance and coordination. Remember, your strength and independence matter, no matter your age. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how these natural foods can transform your health. If you found this video helpful, please like this video to support more natural health advice. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss tips for healthy aging. Share this video with a friend or family member who wants to stay strong after 60. Comment below. Which fruit are you excited to try first? Or do you have a favorite that's helped you maintain strength? Your journey to stronger muscles and better balance starts right now. One bite at a time.